Our pivot collar is used to sharpen complex curves, convex, concave, knives like karambits, Persian, Skinner, kukri, fighting knives. All those knives that are not easy to do with a stock Tomic knife jig. This one, to put on the pivot collar we have to remove the adjustable stop. In the Tomic knife jig you just unscrew it. In knife jigs of other brands they're usually lockable, but the principle is the same. You remove it. Take away the O-ring. We don't use the O-ring with our pivot collar. Put it in a safe place not to lose. Make sure that pivot pins are aligned perpendicular to the plane of the clamps. Lock with the Allen key provided. Many users of our pivot collar use it as is, but I prefer to return the adjustable stop. This provides me somewhat better control, especially with S-shaped knives.